The journey of the fruit of paradise begins in the sun-drenched orchards of the Mediterranean.
Unlike other fruits, pomegranates must be hand-clipped to protect the crown and the precious seeds inside.
Harvest timing is critical. Pick too early and the juice will be sour. Too late and the fruit splits.
Once harvested, the fruit is rushed to the processing facility to maintain peak antioxidant levels.
To prevent bruising, the hard-skinned fruit is unloaded directly into a cushioning water flume. The raw fruit enters the facility, ready for the complex process of aril extraction.
Thorough scrubbing is essential to prevent external contaminants from entering the juice extraction phase.
Optical sensors scan the skin and internal density, rejecting any fruit that isn't perfectly ripe.
The challenge is breaking the tough outer shell without damaging the delicate, juice-filled arils inside.
Gentle threshing separates the ruby-red arils from the husk, mimicking the action of hand-shucking.
Using water density, we separate the bitter white membrane from the sweet, heavy seeds. The result is a stream of pure, intact arils, ready to release their premium juice. The arils enter a pneumatic membrane press, the gold standard for premium juice extraction. Instead of grinding, air pressure gently squeezes the fruit, releasing juice without crushing the bitter seeds.
This gentle cold press method preserves the sweet flavor while keeping bitter tannins out.
The result is a nutrient-dense liquid, rich in antioxidants and deep crimson color. The leftover hard seeds are separated and often pressed later to extract pomegranate seed oil.
Centrifugal force removes the remaining solids, polishing the juice to a velvet-smooth texture.
Flash pasteurization heats the juice for mere seconds, killing bacteria without cooking the delicate flavor. Shock cooling is vital to preserve the vibrant ruby color and prevent the juice from turning brown.
The sterile juice is stored in chilled, nitrogen-blanketed tanks to prevent oxidation.
Gentle agitation keeps the texture consistent without introducing unwanted air bubbles. Sensors monitor the Brix level, ensuring the perfect balance of tartness and natural sweetness.
A final filtration polish ensures the juice shines like a gemstone in the bottle.
Production begins with premium glass bottles, depalletized and organized for the line.
Mechanical guides channel the chaotic mass into a precise, single-file stream.
Each bottle is inverted and scoured with hot water to remove any shipping dust.
Steam sterilization ensures a hospital-grade environment inside every container.
Optical scanners check the structural integrity of the glass, rejecting any imperfections instantly.
Finally, the sterile bottles enter the pressurized filling zone, ready for the juice. The rotary filler operates with surgical precision, handling 400 bottles every minute.
Gravity fillers ensure a gentle flow, minimizing aeration to protect the antioxidants. A blast of steam displaces the air, creating a natural vacuum seal as the bottle cools.
Meanwhile, the sterile metal caps are sorted and aligned, ready to lock in the freshness. Torque cappers apply the lid tightly, engaging the safety button for tamper evidence. A final exterior rinse ensures the glass is sticky-free and pristine for the labeler. The sealed bottles enter a massive pasteurization tunnel to guarantee shelf stability.
Hot water showers raise the core temperature,
eliminating any remaining microorganisms inside the glass.
A precise holding time ensures safety without overcooking the juice or affecting the color.
Gradual cooling brings the temperature down safely, preventing the glass from shattering due to thermal shock. High-velocity air knives shear off every drop of moisture, preparing the glass for labeling.
Clean, dry, and sterile, the bottles are now ready for their final branding.
High-speed applicators wrap the bottles in their signature branding with millimeter precision.
Smoothing brushes ensure a flawless finish, free of wrinkles or trapped air bubbles. Laser coaters etch permanent production data, essential for tracking the product's lifespan. Automated vision systems act as the gatekeepers, rejecting any bottle with cosmetic defects. Acoustic sensors verify the vacuum seal. Only a depressed safety button passes the test. The finished bottles accumulate, creating a buffer zone before the final packaging stage. Robotic packers handle the glass with care, placing them into partition-lined cases. Hot melt adhesive seals the heavy cases instantly, creating a rigid shipping container. A final weight check guarantees that every case contains exactly 12 intact bottles.
Palletizing robots work tirelessly, stacking tons of product in a stable, interlocking pattern.
Stretch wrapping locks the boxes together, ensuring the load survives the vibration of road transport. Each pallet receives a unique passport label, tracking it from the factory floor to the supermarket.
Every batch is tested for punicalagins, the powerful antioxidants that make this juice a superfood.
Colorimeters verify the deep ruby hue, ensuring consistency from the first bottle to the last.
Machines measure data, but only the human palate can approve the complex, tart flavor profile.
Once approved, the cold chain logistics team takes over, keeping the product chilled at 4 degrees.
From the ancient orchards to your glass, the fruit of paradise is now ready for the world. And this is how modern factories produce premium pomegranate juice from start to finish.